Are you looking for the best 3D printers under $200? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers under $200 on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Voxellab Aquil X2 3D Printer. The Voxellab Aquil X2 3D printer is a versatile and user-friendly 3D printing machine designed to provide a seamless and efficient printing experience. This overview highlights some of its key features and advantages. The Aquil X2 is equipped with a carbon crystal silicon glass plate that offers strong adhesion for your 3D prints. It boasts a rapid heating time of just 5 minutes, ensuring that you can start printing quickly. Additionally, the printer operates at a remarkably low noise level, producing less than 50 decibels of sound during the printing process. This means you can work in a quiet environment without disturbing those around you. The printer incorporates intelligent features for smooth printing. It comes with a super quiet printing design, which minimizes disruptions while the printer is in operation. Moreover, the printer features adjustable pulleys that enhance the overall printing quality. Even if there is an accidental power interruption during a print job, the Aquil X2 has the capability to resume printing accurately once the power is restored, preventing wasted time and materials. Number 2. Trunksy 3D Printers. Trunksy 3D printers, exemplified by the Crux 1 Mini 3D printer, are a line of user-friendly and efficient desktop 3D printing devices. These printers are designed to cater to both beginners and experienced users, offering a range of features that make them a compelling choice for various 3D printing needs. One standout feature of Trunksy 3D printers is the customized BEX platform. This transparent panel excels in adhering to various printing consumables, such as PLA, ABS, and TPU 3D filament, without causing warping issues. Moreover, it boasts long-term high-temperature resistance and is resistant to wear, ensuring reliable and consistent print quality. The Crux 1 Mini 3D printer, in particular, is designed to be exceptionally user-friendly. With 95% of the assembly pre-installed, setup is a breeze, and users can start their first print within minutes of unboxing the printer. This ease of use makes it an ideal choice for beginners and hobbyists looking to enter the world of 3D printing. It's also a suitable option for creative teenagers looking to explore their artistic and engineering talents. Number 3. Kingroon KP3S Pro 3D Printer. The Kingroon KP3S Pro 3D printer is a user-friendly and highly capable FDM, fused deposition modeling, 3D printer designed to cater to both beginners and experienced 3D printing enthusiasts. This printer offers several key features that enhance its usability and printing quality. One of the standout features of the Kingroon KP3S Pro is its easy assembly. The printer comes almost entirely pre-assembled, minimizing the setup time and effort required. This makes it an excellent choice for individuals new to 3D printing who want to get started quickly without the complexity of assembling a printer from scratch. The KP3S incorporates industrial-grade guide rails, known for their high precision, hardness, and low noise characteristics. These guide rails play a pivotal role in enhancing the overall print quality by ensuring smoother and more precise movements during the printing process. The addition of steel ball retainers and dust baffles further contributes to durability and longevity.